In this video, I'm going to share with you how I blur the content or part of the content in my videos. So for example, take a look at this video that I made on my Gmail. Okay, I share some tips and tricks on how to do something on Gmail, but then I blur all my emails that are within the Gmail. So I did this using Camtasia video editor. If you have Camtasia already installed on your PC, I will just show you quickly on how to blur a certain part of your content or the entire content as you move. So just open your Camtasia. I've just opened mine. This is it. This is the platform. Okay, so all you need to do is to drag and drop a video that you want to blur. So let's say we drag this video, we just drop it on the media bin. So it has taken it. So all you need to do is to drag and drop it to the timeline, so you can see the complete video, and you can navigate around as you move from beginning to the end. So for example, at this point, I don't want these folders to be shown. Okay, I don't want some part of the folders to be shown. So all I need to do is to make sure I'm at the point where that folder is going to start showing. So I can come all the way to annotations over here, and you can see the special blur, pixelate and highlight effects from here. So you just click and you have different kind of blur items. What I usually use is the pixelate. So you can just drag and drop it on your video on your timeline, and you can see a sample of it. So you can just navigate it to any location where you want to blur. So for example, I want to blur all these files around here, so you just drag, and you can drag also to the bottoms, and you can reduce the opacity so that they will know that these are files but they cannot read the content. So you can see we can reduce the opacity, or you can increase it to block it completely, but it doesn't kind of looks good. But you can just bring it down until small. Maybe you can see this is a file but you cannot read the content, or you cannot read the names. Okay, so once you're satisfied, you can position it well, and you've satisfied you positioned it well. So you can come over here and drag it across. So maybe it's going to be continuous as you are explaining in the tutorial. You don't want this very place to show, so you can just be moving accordingly. So there are cases when maybe you have to, so you can move it, you can increase it, you can extend it to any length. So for example, I'm extending it up to this length when I'm bringing in this right click, and at this point I can just break it, and I can decide to shift it a little bit so that we can see the other parts clearly. Okay, so and I continue with my video. Okay, so once it opens, I know at this point it's going to open, so I give it a break, and I'm going to bring it back again and cover it like that. Okay, so it's going to cover, and then we go on. So you just make sure you extend it, and then you can proceed. So you just make sure you extend it to, so for example, on this case, you have to increase the opacity a little bit, and then you can extend it. Okay, you can extend it, but because you've broken it, so it's okay, you can see it. You cannot see, you cannot read the content, but then what you want to do is you want to read the content of this right click, so you can just reduce it from here, and you can see it directly, but the folders are not visible. Make sure you cover at this point, right? So you have your right click very clearly, but the part you want covered are really covered. So you can break at any point, you can extend at any point, depending on your liking, depending on your choice. And you can use different types. This is highlight, this is spotlight. You can spotlight a given object. So okay, you have other options to blur as well. The first one, okay, this is blur also. You can just drag and drop it at the location, but then you can see the sample over here. Okay, so easily you can blur a particular part of the video, and you're free to extend it accordingly. You can increase or decrease, you can widen it, and you can see, but it's this one is in front of it, and you can also increase or decrease the intensity from here. Okay, you can see you can increase or decrease the intensity accordingly as you wish. Okay, so over here, this is a highlighter. Okay, so once you drag, you should be able to highlight a given place So for example, I want to highlight just this place, you can be able to highlight it, or you can highlight elsewhere. All right, you can see it over here. So this is the blur, this is the highlighter. All right guys, so this is just a brief about how to blur a content or a part of it, or to use a highlighter, or any of the features in Camtasia. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.